any justification for a demolition drive as we have seen in Nuh as a part or as a penal consequence to a criminal act, is it in any way justified? Isn't it totally against the established jurisprudence of criminal justice?
I invite your viewers, please, Mr. Danda. I invite your viewers to open the Indian Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code. Please go all through, from section to section. There is not one section which says that if somebody is guilty of a crime, that any house in which he resides in will be demolished. So if you are saying that this is punishment for somebody's crime, then there is no warrant in law. Any government that does it is a lawless government. It does not believe in the rule of law, and demolitions like this are antithetical to the rule of law. So there is no question. This is not lawful. The second question is, do you think that law applies only to those who follow the law? Sorry. We are a country where even Ajmal Kasab was given the due process which he was entitled to. We as a government of laws rather than of men follow the rule of law and not the law of rulers. It cannot be that we have surrendered our civil liberties to many despots or many emperors who rule us and say we will send you a bulldozer in case you or anybody in your family go out of hand.
Okay.
That is simply not provided for, and that is why the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which is constitutionally required to be a sentinel on the qui-vive, which has to impose itself between despotism and protect the citizens.
Okay, but Mr. Hegde, how do you respond to those who believe that it's high time that, some sort of an example that needs to be set? We are seeing this, one government after another following this kind of a practice, serving this justice, instant justice as you may, under the garb of illegal illegal land use, of illegal structures being demolished.
It is not justice if it is done as punishment for some other criminal action. Now comes the question of whether a portion of land has been illegally occupied, illegally constructed. In that case, there are provisions in the law itself. For instance, in the municipal laws, there will be a provision that you first have to give them a notice. A notice is not enough. After you give them a notice, you have to give them a hearing. You have to give them enough time to prepare for the hearing. It cannot be that you backdate notices, write it in your own ledger that I've given him a notice, come the next day, paste it on somebody's gate or something, and then say I'm running the bulldozer.
Okay.
That is under the law. Everybody is entitled to procedure, to due process.
Okay.